I think I need to spray this with water, honey. Oh gosh. You know, now is not the time to be trying to do a new hairstyle when you know you gotta be somewhere. Seriously. Hey Glam dolls, today is vlog day and I am just over the top excited simply because I'm attending my niece behind the scenes photo shoot of the launch of her brand new business of exotic furs. And I'm so excited and happy for her. And you know, she comes from a strong line of entrepreneurial family, you know, so I kind of anticipated with her growing up she would most likely go into having her own business because that's what she grew up around. But just to see her in her element, to see her being the boss babe that I know she was destined to be, I'm just over the top excited and happy for her. So today she's doing her marketing campaign where she's doing the photo shoot for her exotic furs, and I'm just excited. So like I said, today's vlog day and I'm taking you all along with me, but I'm also a little bit nervous that she's doing this in the middle of a pandemic. That's the only thing that I'm a bit nervous about, because you know, with photo shoots and photography and people on set, we're still in the middle of a pandemic. But she said, you know, Auntie, I took all precautions, Auntie is good, Auntie did. So I said, you know what, let me just go and be the auntie and just be supportive. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me get myself together. Okay, I finished my makeup. By the way, I used my LA Colors Cosmetics Heat and Muse palette. These two palettes right here created this eye look. But I'm ready to install this wig, and I've been watching so many YouTube videos about it, so I'm hoping that I can do it. All right, let's put this baby on. Yep, I'm glad I tightened it because it's still loose. It is still, yeah. This lace is so light. OMG, it's exactly what they were saying. Okay. This lace is so light. OMG, it's exactly what they were saying. Let me tell y'all something. I gotta interrupt you all watching this video right now. As a matter of fact, let me pause this. I'm currently editing the vlog that you are literally watching. So me being on the opposite end now, seeing exactly what you're seeing. This wig right here that I was wearing, the lace on this wig was clearly, you can see that it was a lace front, clearly, because I added my face powder, I added my concealer, you know, the makeup along its perimeter, and yeah, I can see it. Depending on the angle, I can see it. I can see it. Now, the makeup had looked good. The makeup had looked good, but this was, just know, you got a video coming about this wig right here. Yeah. All right, just want to jump in and let you dolls know I see what you see. So I'm gonna let y'all get back to the vlog. I am very, very, very late. Okay, let's see how this goes. Can we part it right here? Oh boy, let's see how this goes. I'm trying to get a deep part. I think I need to spray this with water, honey. Oh gosh. You know, now is not the time to be trying to do a new hairstyle when you know you gotta be somewhere. Seriously. Okay, Okay, dolls, we finally made it to our destination, Kaufman Furs, where my niece is hosting her photo shoot for some furs. So we're gonna go inside and find her. Let's go. Now, if y'all haven't been to Kaufman Furs, I don't know what you're missing. I'm gonna show you what their selections is looking like. I get all my furs from here. I've been doing business with them for a very long time. And I just found her. She's eating. Should I put you on camera? Oh. Hold on. Look at my niece. Hi. So what are you doing today?
Putting our line together for our furs. Having a photo shoot. I'm on break.
Okay.
Look around, we see the models, they stuff on.
Well, I'm going to show them a little bit of what's going on behind the scenes. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got to show y'all how this is coming together. I got to give y'all the first look. Look at, you want to bumble with the beat? Oh yes, you are serving. She don't believe, I'm taking them boots she got on. They're going to be missing. I already told her, so she can't be asking what happened to my boots. Oh, shoot. They going home with me. Hey. Make them want to be like you when they grow up. Come on. Come on. That's right. Come on. Serve it. Serve it. Serve it. Yes. Yes. Serve it.
This is to get some promo for Instagram once the site is up.
I'm gonna have to get a group picture with y'all.
Yeah. That's your green little can. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Oh, I love that. She took the whole bra off. I'm feeling that. See, that's what I'm talking about. No, I'm gonna gas you. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Show him how much you worth. Come on, come through. You wearing the money green.
That's it. Show why you green.
Get it.
Show him how much you cost. Okay? That's right. Come on. Do that one again. No, with your tongue out. Do that one again with your tongue out. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Chest up. Yeah. Yes, have fun.
Look each other.
Give me cleavage, give me shoulder. Give me cleavage, give me shoulder. Oh my God, okay, so this is about to conclude the video. I had an amazing day and time spending it with my niece to support the launch of her business. And how do you feel about today?
I feel really positive.
You mind being, well, they already saw your face. There you go. There you go.
I feel very positive. I'm happy with how everything
But we
came out.
can't do copyright infringement. Turn that down.
Oh.
We ain't have no music.
Sorry.
So you feel good about today?
Yeah, I feel very positive. I think the shots are going to come out great and the website will be up shortly.
I love the little Kim looks.
Yeah, those are super fun.
She was Blue Kim.
Super fun.
That's why I keep saying if you see me less, that means I'm doing more. You know, I came out to be the auntie and support her niecey and her friends in the middle of a pandemic. She's doing a major glow up. I'm very proud of her. And as I said to you earlier today, it's almost in a sense of it being a no-brainer because she comes from a strong line of entrepreneurs in the family. So I'm delighted to see that she embarked on that very same thing. Actually, we can go straight.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna take the West Side Highway.
Okay.
So on that note, dolls, I'm gonna enjoy my ride as she take me home. I'm being chauffeured. She's gonna take me home. But I want to thank you all for hanging out with us today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to even watch this vlog. And I will see you in another one again shortly.
Okay.
Later, dolls.